Ladies and gentlemen, the following program is incorporated with the Fair Use Act of 1976. You know it. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is proV. Welcome to Early Morning with the Streets. And your host, proV. And today's special, a ghost, Gregory. Yeah, that YouTube preacher, real right uncut legend. Except today, March 18th, 2026, he's trading the pulpit for the podium. Not preaching salvation, pleading it. He's been trafficking opium and heroin, allegedly, since 2020, like 5 to 6 years of blessings and baggies. And get this, every 3 months or so, he sits with the feds, spills some names like he's reading a grocery list. That's not a deposition, that's a loyalty card. Buy 9 snitches, get the 10th free. Real right? No, more like real rat. Ghost, they call him that, because he's always vanishing when the heat comes. Name sounds like Caviar and Business had a baby. Cabinets. Then dropped it on the sidewalk. But let's get real for a second. This ain't comedy hour. He's been moving weight, guys. Opium, heroin, MDMA, meth, crack, allegedly. While filming homeless folks dropping truth bombs. Why is he still around? Why is he so mad all the time? Because if I were as mad as him all the time, you'd think I was doing something that I was forced to do or I didn't want to do. Having a YouTube channel, you think it's a blessing with all those views. You think he'd be happy. I don't know. Because, guys, he flips on his own. Another 90 days passes, another body drops, another corner cleared. So who's he really protecting? Not the community, not the addicts, maybe it's himself. Ghosts, so slippery. Even his shadow can't keep up. You cash their pain in for clicks, then ghost them when they need real help. But how the tables have turned. You know, Cherry ain't saving souls. He's erasing them. You got hoodies, caps, real right uncut stickers, while your real right's a wiretap. Out here saying, stay off the streets. But, bro, you're the one paving them with the product. What kind of pastor sells dope to the congregation? Oh, wait. You don't. You just sell them out. Confidential informant? More like confidential coward. Hiding behind a camera while your boys get locked up. Your channel's got views, sure, but soul's on layaway, man. Ladies and gentlemen, Exhibit A, if I may have your attention for a moment or two. Let me just pull this down here. Thank you guys for your time. I appreciate your patience and your support. It means a lot. Okay, so, good enough. We see Exhibit A, Well, let me start with the first one. 12/8/2021. The offense happens. Felony possession, Schedule 2 substance. Now that's cocaine, folks. Now let me pull this all the way down so you can see a little bit more information. Let me go down here, guys. As you can see, bond set, $1,000, secured bond. Conditions. I don't see stay out of trouble. As you can see, the depositions start 6/11/24. But did they really start then? Maybe, maybe not. Let's continue, shall we? Now, we go to the other count because there's two right here, folks. And if you go to the second one down here, you end up with this. Trafficking, opium, heroin. 5/9/22, file date. The offense date happened before the other offense occurred, which is a little interesting. You see 5/22. I'm sorry, 5/9/22. Now, I did that because I didn't want to show the party information. Now, something is strange here, guys. So, okay, the hearing started on 5/9/22. Wait a second. Wait for it. Wait for it. Charges. Warrant. Warrant. Trafficking. And the first depositions start, ladies and gentlemen. You can see all continuances starting. Whoops, got to go back down and work my way up. Starting at 5/9/22. The continuances start. And they just keep going and going and going and going. They just keep going. And they just keep going. And it continues. So 5/22/24. And next month, they keep on moving. All the way to present day. Right. 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 Very interesting. A lot of interesting things going on here, guys. So we will find out very, very shortly, very soon, what's going to happen. I'll give you guys the update as soon as it comes in, folks. Thank you for watching. This has been an update from proV. Have a wonderful day. Bye.